Mangla Sons was incepted in the year 1984 as the large-scale steel distributor based in Chandigarh Tri-City. Since inception, Mangla Sons Group has been into steel business for the distribution of Tata Steel galvanized coated flat products, serving a wide range of industry. The group further diversified their business and set up a world-class facility spread over an area of 1 lakh square feet at Mangla Sons Private Limited. The company entered into manufacturing of modular clean room partitions, doors, windows and clean air equipments with the brand Ingress Plus to serve the globally growing demand of pharmaceutical industry with a vision to provide best-in-class product and services. Every project is handled by well-professional engineers who design and plan the modular panel work to suit the best in facility and space available. The highly experienced technical team work precisely on minute detailings of electricals, glazing and air control in the clean room. The high-quality raw material being used for manufacturing is inspected by in-house quality control and assurance team. We maintain enough stock of materials at our plant to serve our clients well in time. The product is manufactured using the automated CNC machines. The process begins with cutting of sheets on most advanced CNC turret punching machine imported from Japan. Some highly precise jobs are processed using the CNC fiber laser cutting that cuts up to 22 mm mild steel and 16 mm stainless steel, along with an additional facility of cutting any tubular section up to 8-inch diameter. The cut material is further processed on CNC press brakes imported from Japan and Belgium. The advanced machines ensure correct degree bends, which provides right functionality of finished product. With this, the material becomes ready for processing in fabrication, using the most advanced metal inert gas welding and spot welding technology, which provides right strength to all joint parts. We have the capacity of manufacturing 500 square meters of panels with perf, honeycomb and rock wool infill. The product is finished using the high-end grinding and finishing process. The product is finally powder coated on fully automatic and conveyorized powder coating line and baked in the oven to ensure correct baking. Every finished product is duly inspected online by highly professional engineers. The right manufacturing process gives the best outlook and finishing to the product. Under the Ingress Clean Air Equipment section, we manufacture pass boxes, laminar airflows, biosafety cabinets, and air showers using the high-quality material for manufacturing. The product is finished using the right buffing process and packed using the 3-layer packing technology.
Namaskar. At Ingress, we are dedicated to serve our client with the best quality product and timely deliveries. We also make sure that the project is executed well on time so that our client can get faster returns on their investment. Our highly technical team and expertise are our binding forces, which is taking our organization to a higher level of commitment and success. We look forward to serve you. Thank you.